So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Ollama, which is an open source LLM. I'm just going to show you how you can download and install onto your system locally. First of all, just go to your browser and search for Ollama and go to this first link from ollama.com, and here you can see the option for download for Mac. If you're using Linux or Windows, just go for it. So I will download for my operating system, and here just double click onto this one. So this will be installing. You just drag and drop into the application, and if I now search for Ollama, so here you can see click on open. So this will open the Ollama. So here you can see the logo of Ollama, so just click on open Ollama. So now from here you get to choose all the models that are available. So these are the models that are available on cloud, so you don't need to download onto your system, but it has limited usage. So like if you type something like what is Ollama and click enter, so you can see, so this will be downloading this Gamma 3 4 billion parameter, but we don't want this one. So if you want the cloud model, so you can just choose the cloud model. So for cloud model you got to sign in. So meanwhile, just click on sign in and click on continue with Google and click on connect. So here you can see the device connected successfully. So now you can use all these cloud models. So now if I see here, you can see like you can choose between low, medium and high thinking model. You can even do the web search. So for now, let me just type what is Ollama. Here we see like you get the in detail answer of what is Ollama, and it's generating all these things, but it's from cloud. So if you see here, if you go to your profile, so you can see you have a limited usage for free model. But if you don't want it to be a paid one, so you can download any one of the model from here. So you see, so this is 120 billion parameter model GPT OSS. So this will obviously take you more storage, like 60 GB, 70 GB. So you need at least like good storage and RAM for this to run. But I will go with the least parameter, which is 1 billion parameter. I think it should be good for you to start. So click on download. So now you can download directly. So if you type some message like what is Ollama, so this will start downloading. So it is just 778 MB. So let's wait for it to complete. So there you go. So it has been downloaded now. So now you can ask any question. So like what is Ollama, and let's click. So before that, so so this is generating the answer already. So we didn't even need to do anything. So let's say write a code in JavaScript to add two numbers. So click enter. So you can see, so this is generating the code. So let's write something like list out the free open source LLMs, and just click enter. So here you can see, so this will say Llama 2, Mistral 7 billion, Gamma from Google. So you can pretty much use it as just like ChatGPT, but it is running on local machine. So it's more secure. Your data they're unlikely to be exposed somewhere if you're using it within your system. And you can also use it as your application development. So you can use all this model for developing some AI enhanced software, or you can do a lot of use cases using this the Ollama local LLM. So this is how you install the Ollama onto your Mac or any operating system and run it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.